This is the future. I am Uday Patankar. And I am a keen cyclist. So I was in the UK staying with a friend of mine who is very fond of cycling. And he would take me to various mountains, lakes. He stays in the Lake District. He is the owner of 4 cycles. And he said, Uday, you are also keen on cycling, but I suggest you buy a cycle with battery assist or an electronic cycle. So I said, what is the difference? He said, no, you try one and you will be able to explore much more. So I said, okay, I put it in my mind and I came back to India and started my routine work. While I was working, I had a cycle. I go cycling very often. I have a normal cycle. But I started seeing the internet and finding electronic or battery assisted cycles. But I did not find anything. I didn't see anything which I liked. Then suddenly a common friend told me, Uday, why don't you try Svitch? I said, what is Svitch? He said, no. It is a very nice cycle made in India and it is made by a very good friend of mine. Come with me. So one fine day we fixed up an appointment and he took me to one gentleman called Raj, a very young enterprising boy. We met him. I went to his office. He showed me the cycle, showed me the spare parts, various other things where he makes it, and I was quite impressed. So he said, let me see it. So we went down to his basement where the cycles are parked and where he must be giving his demos. So I saw the cycle. I really liked it, but it was not, to be very frank, the type of cycle which I was looking at. It had bare wheels. It was something which was for off-road and for cross-country cycling. And at my age, I cannot do all that. I like something which is nice and a normal cycle. Those days have gone when I was 18 years old where I would go off-road. And where can you go off-road in India? So I said, show me something which is fancy, no? So he said, Uday, we have something very nice which is an upper model. You will like it. I said, show it to me. He said, sir, it's not in ready stock. Come next week. So I went next week and it was exactly what I wanted. It had mud guards, it had the paraphernalia, and apparently it is their XE or some upper model. Anyway, I loved it. I said, you send it to me right away. I gave him the order, gave him the money. He said, sir, 1 week's waiting time. We'll give you a good color. Do it up the way you want, and he sent it to me. And I got the cycle about 9-10 months back, and trust me, it is amazingly good looking. I ride it and it is 100% head turner. If I am cycling, even if a worker is going to work or is coming back from work, a cyclist will stop and look at it. There are boys, girls, gentlemen, ladies moving around in Mercedes or whatever cars. Everyone turns round and looks at the cycle as if I am riding a Ferrari or something. And as usual, Amdavadi, Sahib, kyathi lidhi? Ketlani avi? And that makes my day, It gives me 1 more kilometer of cycling more. Anyway, that's the good look about the cycle. But the advantage is the battery. I am an amateur cyclist. I am not a big time cyclist, I cycle 3-4 times a week and my capacity is to cycle 12 to 16 kilometers. So what was happening, I was going round the house because I knew 12 kilometers was thaki jai. But I would go round and round, it was becoming very boring. So this Svitch and this battery assist has given me a new dimension in life. I go from here to the airport, I go from here to Kalupur, I explore the whole city of Ahmedabad because I know that after 12, 13, 14 kilometers when I get tired, I have some assistance from battery to bring me back home. So I've been able to explore the city of Ahmedabad and the areas of Ahmedabad much more. And trust me, I am not using the battery because my stamina has gone up. My capacity to cycle from 12 has become almost 20 plus. So I am fully for this battery assisted cycle, particularly Svitch, because it is foldable. It can be carried when you go on your holiday. So I would recommend Svitch to anyone of my age or even younger to just invest in it. It's something for good health and for good looks and something which you love owning. The Svitch is foldable, durable, takeable with you. It is helping in pollution-free India. It is Indian by heart.